Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vanessa Lee Lopez. Let's create a beautiful department store quality gift wrap look at home, complete with a stunning DIY bow and personalized gift tag. Let's start with the base. Lay your wrapping paper face down and place your gift in the center. I'm using this wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby. The design is super pretty and the quality is great, but my favorite part is actually on the back, the grid lines. They make it so much easier to measure, line up your edges, and cut the perfect amount of paper. To gauge how much wrapping paper you need, just make sure the paper goes a little over halfway up the sides of your box, and that you've got enough length to wrap it all the way around. Fold the paper over tightly, line up the edges, and secure it with transparent tape so everything stays seamless and clean. This tape is great. It's as close to transparent as you can get. Smooth out the sides and fold the corners in for that crisp department store finish. Now for the star of the show, the bow. I'm using this ribbon from Amazon. It's super affordable, great quality, and perfect for creating a full, fluffy bow. Start by taking your non-wired ribbon and forming your first loop. This loop will determine the size of your finished bow, so hold it over your gift to make sure it's the size you want. Secure that first loop with a small piece of transparent tape on the inside. From here, just keep looping the ribbon around. I like to count each time the end of the ribbon comes around. Usually about 10 loops gives me a nice, full bow. The more loops you make, the fuller and more dramatic your bow will look. Once you're done, gently flatten the looped ribbon and trim both ends at an angle like this. Then bring the two cut ends together in the center and tie them tightly using a piece of ribbon or curling ribbon. I'm using curling ribbon here. Now for the magic. Start separating the layers by gently twisting each loop, alternating one up and one down. Keep fluffing and twisting until your bow opens up into that beautiful, full shape. Next, we're adding the ribbon. Start by wrapping a piece of ribbon around the box lengthwise and secure it at the bottom with a small piece of tape. Then flip the box and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction so you create that classic cross pattern. I used to do this with one long piece of ribbon and twist it underneath, but I realized it actually makes the gift harder to open. Doing it with two separate pieces keeps the look clean and makes it easier for the recipient to pull the ribbon off and get to their surprise. And look at that, already looking fancy. Place your bow right at the top where the ribbons cross. Use the excess curling ribbon to tie it down tightly. fluff the loops again to give it that perfect shape. Now let's personalize this gift with a custom label. I'm using a thermal printer, but you can use whatever you already have. Just type the name, add a short message or a cute little icon, print it, and stick it right onto the gift. And that's it, a beautiful, luxury-looking gift, a custom bow, and a personalized tag, all for a fraction of the cost of buying everything pre-made. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves saving money while still giving gorgeous gifts. Let me know in the comments if you want more budget-friendly DIYs. Thanks for watching, and happy wrapping!